Hi guys, and welcome back to Desert DIY. If you are new here, my name is Corey. Today I'm going to do my DIY video a little bit different than I normally do, and I'm going to have it be very relaxing, not a whole lot of talking, and you guys just watch and see how I do this DIY table that I have for you. It is going to be painted like a buffalo check on the top, and then the bottom half will just be all black. I got this table for just a few dollars at Goodwill on a half off sale day, and it was not real wood, which is why I wanted to show you this project actually, because there are things that are not real wood, that are that fake manufactured wood laminate things that you can actually fix up and make really beautiful and useful depending on the condition that it's in. So since this had no real damage, I could totally fix this up and make it cute and useful again. And I also want to mention before I start that I'm still doing my giveaway. I'm going to be giving away a $25 Amazon gift card, and all you have to do is go watch my giveaway video and share it, or share my channel, hit the subscribe button and the notifications button, and comment down below on my video for the giveaway, and I will link that video down below. So I'm really close to hitting that 2,500 subscriber mark, which is when I'm going to be giving away the gift card, and it's actually lining up perfect to be somebody's Christmas gift. So don't forget to go over there and enter yourself in it. I'm going to be randomly selecting one of the people who followed the directions and also commented on that video, and I can't wait to tell you who it is. But enough of that. I'm going to start on this DIY project for you, and I hope you really enjoy it. keep these pieces of tape because I will reuse them again when I mask off another area on here. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and go click that link to see my giveaway video and get entered in to win that $25 gift card. Thank you so much. Bye!